Okay, how's everybody doing today? We are going to do a very small and quick video using our flagship 1798 print and cut material. So oftentimes we get questions about masking, what kind of tapes are needed, etc., etc. We offer two different types of tapes for our printables. One is our ATT 450 that has a liner. The other being the ATT 500 that has no liner. So they are both medium tacks. They both work very well with our printables. So it's just kind of a matter of preference. So in order to mask this, what we're simply going to do, this has already been printed, already been cut. Okay, again, this is our Hotmark Revolution print, a fantastic choice for sensitive garments, polyesters, nylons, lycras, cotton poly blends, etc. Simply gonna take our weeder and remove the excess material. Now, because this is so thin, it will curl. That's why we need the transfer tape. Simply apply the transfer tape. I'm gonna use this squeegee just to kind of get out any remaining air pockets between the tape and the actual liner itself. Very quickly. And then just turn it over and it will release from the liner onto the transfer tape. This is what you're going to apply to your garment and press as normal.